So good afternoon, class 10th. We are doing our unit 1, digital documentation advanced. And in previous class, we had done the session number 1, which was about the styling, applying styling in document. And I have shown you the method, how you can apply a different type of style in your document. Now it's time to start the session number 2, which is all about the insert and use images in a document. First, we have to understand why we need an image in our document. Because image can say more than words. Yes, you also agree with it? Because when we see any kind of image, picture or data in a pictorial form, then it conveys the more detailed method, or you can say the more detailed information of it. So if we are willing to create or design a very beautiful as well as very informative and eye-catching document, then we must ensure that we are pasting, we are including, we are inserting some kind of images in our document. Okay, so that's why we are considering here how we can insert an image as well as how we can manipulate it, how we can resize it or crop it and change the background it. So we will discuss some more aspect about insertion of images. Okay, so let's start it together. Images can be added to a document in several ways. Yes, by inserting an image file stored on a computer directly from a graphics or a scanner. Yes, and by dragging them from the clip art internal gallery, or by copying and pasting from a source being viewed on a computer. So yes, as our notes is saying that we can add or we can insert an image in different manner. The very basic manner is that you can copy and paste it from a source. The second primary method is that you will just click on that upload button and then your dialog box will open and then you will select from it location. And third, and you can drag and drop it also. So these are the several kind of method in which we can insert images. So we will discuss every aspect, every insertion method one by one. First we will discuss insertion and image file by drag and drop method. So when the image is stored on the computer, we can insert it into a LibreOffice document using any one of the following methods. So we will understand several methods and you can choose accordingly. So the very first method is drag and drop. Open a file browser window and locate the image we want to insert. First, what you will need is you have to open file browser window. So what will file browser window do is for you that it will open a dialog box from which you can select an image. Okay, so drag the image into the writer document and drop it where we want it to appear. So first पहले ही आप लोग अपनी एक इमेज खोल के रखिए, ठीक है, जो भी आपको इमेज इंसर्ट करना है. Then you just hover down your mouse towards your LibreOffice writer. This method embeds means that saves a copy of the image file in the writer document. To link the file instead of embedding it, hold down the Control plus Shift keys while dragging the image. That means if we are dragging and dropping the image, that means it will create only a copy. But if we want to just save it to a writer, then we have to click on Control plus Shift keys. So from my perspective, it is not a very good practice to use or to insert an image from drag and drop, because it will not reflect as efficient, as useful as you want. So I always prefer that please go from insert image dialog box. Okay, so I am going to show you every method to insert an image one by one, but first we are discussing as theoretical manner. Then we are going to discuss how we can insert an image from dialog box. So first you need to understand the steps one by one. Click in the LibreOffice where we want the image to appear. Okay, and then choose insert image from menu bar. So first we need to create an LibreOffice writer. Then what we are going to do, we will select on insert where we can find image. Then we need to click on the insert image dialog box, navigate to the file to be inserted and select it. So mark my point, doing this step it will navigate us to that file which we want to include in our document. Okay, and at the bottom of the dialog are one of one or two options. Select preview, not available on all installations, to view a thumbnail of the selected image on the right. देखिए मैंने यहाँ पर एक मेंशन कर रखी है बात कि कई बार सेलेक्ट प्रीव्यू भी आपको देता है, कई बार ये आपको प्रीव्यू प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है. प्रीव्यू इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर ऑल इंस्टॉलेशन, दैट मीन्स ऑल वर्जन्स. कई बार अगर आपका प्रीवियस वर्जन लिब्रे ऑफिस राइटर का इंस्टॉल्ड है तो क्या पता वो आपको प्रीव्यू शो कर दे 37 और अदरवाइज वो कई बार आपको थंबनेल प्रोवाइड ना करे. ओके, एंड क्लिक ऑन ओपन ऑप्शन. और अगर आपके पास आपने अपने इमेज नेविगेट कर ली है देन यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन ओपन. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस टू मेथड फर्स्ट. So here we are in LibreOffice Writer interface, as you can see on your screen. So now I am going to show you how to insert an image. So first of all, you need to select your image which you want to insert. So here I am going to this PC, and then here I am selecting pictures. As you can see that there is no picture in it. So let me find out that do we have any kind of picture or not. So let's find out it. So now here I have downloaded two images. Here you can see on your screen Tiranga and Indian flag. So now what I will do is I will just select it and hover it down to my LibreOffice Writer, and here you can see that it's been pasted here. Okay, it's been pasted here, so I didn't need to select any kind of option, any kind of tab. So you can drag and drop it also to your LibreOffice Writer, and you can manipulate it accordingly. You can resize it, you can crop it, and I am going to show you how to crop and how to resize it one by one. But first I am telling you how you can insert an image to your document first. Okay, so this is the very first method, and now I am going to show you the next method. Here you need to click on the insert. Here you will find image. Okay, then it is navigating us to for pictures, and now I am going to select desktop, and from here I am going to select Tiranga, and now I will click on open. Okay, instead of doing this open, you can double click it. Okay, so here you can see that my Tiranga is being pasted into my writer document. So these are the two methods by which we can insert an image, and we are going to understand some more methods like copying and pasting and other type of document related options to inserting an image. So hope you have understood this. So now we are back again to our theoretical portion. Here the third method is copy and paste. So using this clipboard, we can copy image into a LibreOffice document from another LibreOffice document and from other programs too. Supposingly that you have two document in which you have Tiranga, and in which in first one you have Tiranga and second one you don't have that Tiranga picture. So if you want to copy it to your other document, so what you will do is you will press Ctrl C, or you will click on right click of your mouse. There you can find the cut, copy and paste option. So from there you can copy and paste it down to the other document. Or if you want to copy any kind of image from your file resources from your file folder, then you can also navigate it to there also. So these are the some methods by which you can insert an image to your document. So once again we are going to understand step, because we need to write this step into our exam section. That's why we have to consider it also. Okay, so first number is open both the source document and the target document. If you are considering to document copy pasting, in the source document select the image to be copied. Very easy to understand. If you are dealing with two documents, so you need to open both the documents. Okay, getting my point or not? And then from where you want to copy, so you have to click Ctrl+C from that source document, and then come to the target document, that means the other document, and then just click Ctrl+V, or just right click and select on paste option, then it will be copied. I know it's very easy topic to tell you, to portray you, because you already know these kind of silly things or these kind of simple things. Okay, yes. So now last option I will also show you how to just copy and paste it. So supposingly here are my two pictures. I am selecting it pressing Ctrl C. Now I am navigating it to here, and I am pressing Ctrl V. So now you can see there are two images. Okay. Now I am just once again pressing Ctrl C, and interestingly, I am creating a new document. Okay. Now I am pressing Ctrl V. Now you can see that my Tiranga image is being copied to the next document also. Okay, here you can see untitled number 2, and here you can see untitled number 1, and on the both document you can find the same image. Okay, this is the first method. Or what will you do if you have to select the image from here, the source only? So you need to select this, press the Ctrl C, or right click on the copy. Now I'm coming to untitled number 2. Here I will paste it, and here you can see that your image is being pasted to your Writer document. So this is the method how you can insert an image. I have told you all the 3 basic methods. So hope you have enjoyed it and hope you have understood it. So please give your consent. Yes, after discussing how to insert an image, now we will discuss how we can modify our image after inserting our image. Okay, because modifying is a very crucial part. Inserting an image is not a very big deal, na? Because क्योंकि पेस्ट करना, कॉपी पेस्ट करना, उसको वहां पर इंसर्ट करना इज नॉट अ वेरी बिग डील. अब आपको मॉडिफाई करना सीखना होगा. मॉडिफाई का मतलब ये होता है कि हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग, हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट की क्रिएटिविटी के अकॉर्डिंग कैसे उस इमेज को सेट कर सकते हैं, कैसे उसके साथ अलग अलग तरीके से उसको, उसकी टूल्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. So when we insert a new image, we may need to modify it to suit the document. Yes, ताकि वो डॉक्यूमेंट को सूट करे. So this section describes the use of the image toolbar for resizing, cropping, and rotating an image. Okay. So Writer provides many tools for working with images. These tools are sufficient for most people's everyday requirement. तो ये इतने अच्छे, इतने कन्वीनियंट और इतने सफिशिएंट है कि हमारे लिए मतलब मोर देन इनफ है इतने टूल्स इसके पास. However, for professionals, results in generally better to use an image manipulation program such as GIMP to modify image. GIMP is what? A kind of software. I know that you are going to ask, sir, what is GIMP? GIMP is a kind of software in which we modify our image. Okay, just for example, for the sake of example, we do the cropping, we resize it, we rotate it, and we change color of values also. And then insert the result into Writer. You can do this also if you want to manipulate your image, just like to changing it, to cropping it. So first crop it, resize it, rotate it accordingly, and then paste it down to your Writer. But if you haven't done that thing, you can do the same in Writer also. Okay. कई बार होता है कि जब हम इमेज इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर, भी फर्स्ट क्रॉप इट, हम पहले से उसको मोबाइल वगैरह में क्रॉप कर लेते हैं, रोटेट करके फिर उसको पेस्ट करते हैं. बट कई बार हम इंस्टेंटली किसी इमेज को पेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, और हमने उसको क्रॉप नहीं किया है, रीसाइज नहीं किया है, तो आप उसको राइटर के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं. ओके. So using the image toolbar, when we insert an image or select one already present in the document, the image toolbar appears. So when we are working with image, then we can see image toolbar also. Okay. We can set it to always be present. अगर आपको उसको हमेशा के लिए present रखना है, then what you need to do is you need to click on view, then go to toolbars, and then you have to select on image. Then you can see image toolbar always on your screen. If it will be present on your screen always, so you can manipulate your image accordingly. Okay. So what tools, what modification we do to our images? We first understand cropping of images. Okay. So when we are only inserted in a section of the image for the purpose of our document, we may wish to crop, that means cut off parts of it. Cropping का meaning क्या होता है? Crop means that we are cutting something or we are hiding some part of document also, or some part of images. Okay, you know it very well. I know you all do cropping, resizing, rotating your images into the different kind of imaging processing softwares or applications which is available in your Android devices. I know it, but we need to understand how we can do the same thing which we do in our Android application to the Writer also. Okay, so Writer provides two ways to crop an image. the crop tool and the crop page of the image dialog. Crop tool is a very basic tool, and crop page means that square brackets you can see. So the crop tool provides a quick and easy way to crop an image, but for more control, use the image dialog. Okay. So first, we will discuss using the crop tool. To use the crop tool, right click on the image and select crop from the context menu. Cropping handle appears at the corners and midpoints of the side of the image. So once you have clicked on that context menu and have selected that crop tool, so you will see that some kind of midpoint, some kind of corners. So from that you can select, or you can select that parts of image which you want to display on your screen. Okay, and drag a handle to cut off part of the image. So what you need to do is you need to control your mouse so that you can drag a handle to cut off that part of an image. So click outside the image to turn off cropping mode. So if you have finished your cropping, if you had done with your image, so click outside of that image. So now we will discuss using the crop page of the image dialog. So the earlier one was how to use the crop tool. So now we will discuss how to use crop page. To use the image dialog, right click of the image and select properties. Now you need to do select properties from the context menu. Then select the crop page of the image dialog. The unit of measurement of the crop page are those inset in, as I have told you, that you need to click on tools, options, LibreOffice Writer, and then you need to click on general. So these are the some basic operation. We know that how to crop an image. So let me do it for you. So here is our image, okay, and here it is view. Just a second, students. So अगर आपको अपना image toolbar दिख रहा है, so what you need to do is you need to click on view. Then what you need to do is you need to click on toolbars. Here you will find image. Okay. So image toolbar से क्या होगा कि आपका जो भी ये tools है वो image के आने start हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Once again I am going to show you view, toolbar and image. ठीक है. अब देखिए ये किस चीज के लिए होता है आपको पता है, न्यू वगैरह के लिए. और यहाँ पर ये टूल बार है जो इंसर्ट इमेज, यहाँ से भी आप इमेज को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, जो इसका एक फोर्थ ऑप्शन हो सकता है आपके लिए. ठीक है. तो चलिए हम देखते हैं कि राइट क्लिक किया मैंने, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं यू कैन फाइंड क्रॉप ऑप्शन. ओके, once you will click on it, here you can see the corners, the midpoint also. So अगर मैं इसके ऊपर क्लिक करूंगा तो मैं यहाँ से सेलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ कि how much amount of picture I want to display in my document. Here you can see. Okay, and अगर मैंने पिक्चर के बाहर इसको शो किया तो now you can see that अब जो हमारी पिक्चर है वो क्रॉप हो चुकी है. Okay, just a second. And now the second one, now I have right click on it, properties. You will find crop. Okay, so you can just give details. So here you can set left margin, you can set right margin, you can crop it from top also, as you can see on your screen. Okay, and you can adjust it accordingly to the bottom also. Okay. So this is how you can crop your image. If you want a detailed manner to crop an image, so you have to click on image and then right click it, go to the properties section, and you will find a crop tab also. And yes, if you do not want to just do that much of work, that much of step, then what you need to do is you need to click on right click and then you will find crop button. Okay, so this is how you can crop an image into your document. Now once again we will discuss resizing an image. So to perfectly fit the image into our document, we may have to resize it. Yes, we may, because we want that we have to fit our image very small. Okay, and we do not want that our image will display in a very large manner, or supposedly we have pasted an image which is so small in size. What you will need to do is you have to just click on that square which you have seen earlier. So by dragging towards and by dragging it that you can resize it very conveniently without moving to any kind of specific tab, any kind of specific option. Okay, so this is the shortcut method, but we will understand, we will discuss how we can just resize our image also. Okay, so a quick and easy way to resize by dragging the image sizing handles. Click on the image if necessary to show the blue sizing handles. Position the pointer over one of the blue sizing handles. The pointer changes its shape, giving a graphical representation of the direction of resizing. That means it will indicate in which direction you are resizing it, and click and drag to resize the image and release the mouse button when satisfied with the new size. अब देखिए, अगर मैं आपको कहूं कि इमेज को रिसाइज करने के लिए आप स्टेप्स लिखिए, you need to give your answer by writing down this step. कितना इजी है, बहुत इजी है, क्योंकि हमें पहले से ही आता है. अगर मैं बात करूं व्हाट्सएप की, अगर मैं बात करूं किसी भी एक सोशल मीडिया या इंस्टाग्राम की बात करें हम, तो जब भी हम उसमें पिक्चर अपलोड करते हैं हमारे सामने वो पहले से स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स बना देता है हर एक कॉर्नर में, हर एक मिड पॉइंट में, और हम सभी ने कहीं ना कहीं क्रॉपिंग टूल का यूज किया है. तो क्या मैं वही सेम चीज यहाँ पर इंटररिलेट नहीं कर सकता? बिल्कुल यस. माय आंसर विल बी यस. I can interrelate that cropping method in my writer document also. तो अगर मुझे उसी सेम प्रोसेस का वापिस से अगर मुझे स्टेप में इसको थ्योरेटिकली लिखना है तो क्या मैं उसको नहीं लिख सकता? बिल्कुल लिख सकता हूँ. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं कि आईटी में आपको क्या करना है, बस एक चीज करनी है कि आपको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज होना चाहिए, उसके बाद आप स्टेप तो आराम से लिख सकते हैं. डू यू एग्री विद मी और नॉट? So here if I will click on that image, you can find that arrow, that square on the corner on the midpoint. Now what I am just going to hover it from this side. As you can see, it has been enlarged. Now I will click on from the right side, and it has been enlarged. From midpoint we can also enlarge it. Okay, so here you can relate it how you will crop your image by just selecting it square boxes present in the corner and the midpoint also. Okay, so this is how you can crop your resize your images. Now our last topic for today is deleting an images. So how you can delete an image? You can delete it from just clicking on properties. You can delete it from delete button. You can delete it to remove it also. Okay, so delete an image, click on it to show the green resizing handles, then press the delete key. Very obvious to understand. कैसे डिलीट करना है आपको? बस उस इमेज को सेलेक्ट करिए, डिलीट का बटन दबा दीजिए, वो डिलीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अदरवाइज आप क्या करिए, उस इमेज को सेलेक्ट करिए, राइट क्लिक करिए और वहां पर आपको डिलीट का ऑप्शन दिख जाएगा. तो चलिए इसको भी करके देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पर, हाँ बिल्कुल, आप कट करके भी इसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, कट करके केवल रिमूव होगा, बट ये आपको एक ऑप्शन देगा कि आप वो कहीं पर और भी इसको पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज क्या है, मैंने यहाँ पर देखिए सेलेक्ट कर रखा है. ठीक है, ये मैंने इमेज सेलेक्ट की. अब मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ, डिलीट बटन यानी डिलीट की प्रेस करने जा रहा हूँ, और यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप कि इट्स बीन डिलीटेड ओनली. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन डील विद पिक्चर्स. Okay, from tomorrow onwards we are going to deal with the drawing object. So this is how we have completed how we can resize an image, how we can crop an image from the different option, and how we can copy and paste it also. So from tomorrow onwards I am going to tell you how you can insert objects such as squares, smileys, comment boxes, triangles. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed my session also. So please, in last, you can give your consent. Until then, take care.